What is the most extreme action that you would take in your civil engineering career to acquire the right job opportunity? Well, in this week's Engineering Management Lessons video, civil engineer Natalie Carmen is going to tell us about an extreme action that she took in order to get in front of a renowned expert that changed the course of her career forever. Natalie, what is that pivotal action that you took that changed the game for you?
I think if there's a pivotal moment in my career, it was coming out of undergrad and after working for about a year. So my undergrad's in landscape architecture. So I have a kind of non-traditional path to civil engineering. And I realized that my kind of passion for water and stormwater engineering, I really wanted to have a more technical expertise. And I happened to live in a city with a world-renowned stormwater researcher. He happened to be really difficult to get in touch with on the phone or email. But I was committed to kind of my vision and what I saw my career looking like. So I one day decided to just park myself outside his office with a resume and make sure that he got eyes on it. And after that, he was very accepting, and I quickly joined his team and he helped me get lined up for next steps. And since that point, it's really launched my career and allowed for me to work with other experts in stormwater engineering to learn from them and with them. And it's been, it's great. It's a really unique community that once you're in it, you're kind of always in it. We didn't, say bye at graduation. It was see you later. And that's been really pivotal for my career development.